Good morning, ladybugs. We back. Another day. I'm looking for my truck. I think this is it right here. But good morning. How are you this morning? It is Vlogtober 4. So this is the 4th day of Vlogtober. I think this is my truck. Hold on. I gotta put this coffee down. Y'all know I be needing that Java. That's coffee in Spanish. Java. Let's see. 94497. This is me. But yes, it is another day. I am appreciating you guys hanging out with me. I'm sorry it's so dark, y'all. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Stacy, and I like to do all things home decor, decorating, room makeover, DIYs. I just love doing those things. And if you like those contents, then you need to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And to my ladybugs that's already here, thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you for all your support. So I need you guys to hang out with me today. If you have not been following me, I will put a link up here for the last Vlogtober, which was yesterday. So come on, let's get to work. Yep. Here we go. So I'm at the shop. Manager came to me and said he don't like the way this truck sounds. If I could pull up to the shop so it could be checked out. So here I am again, guys. I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen. Y'all, while I'm here waiting for my truck to be analyzed. Look, I had to go to the bathroom, but look. This is creepy. I know it's Halloween. I'm gonna show y'all around. This is where they hide in the bathroom at. Look at the woman's bathroom. Look at that. Nobody's around. Why am I whispering? I don't know. Look how creepy it is. Here all by myself. Watch. Ooh, it's dark over here. Now y'all tell me, why would the bathroom be way back here at no man's land? I'm looking around. I hear footsteps. Yeah. Good morning. Let's see. That was the monster. He said, good morning. That's funny. Okay. I made it back. Alive. So look, y'all. I made it out the dungeon. Whew, that was scary. I was back there all by myself. Then I heard all kinds of noises. I wanted to run, but I was like, be cool. I was saying to myself, be cool. Be cool. So I'm out here waiting to see what the verdict is going to be on my tractor. She's still in there getting, I don't know, diagnosed and worked on and all that stuff. But I don't mind waiting because guess what? Guess what? I get paid by the hour. So I'll wait here as long as they want me to wait here. I don't care. I am in no rush. No rush. But anyway, y'all, I'm so excited that you guys have been coming along with me on this journey. I think my next video is probably going to be, I'm not going to say the next video, but I'm going to have a video coming up probably this weekend. Not probably. I'm going to have a video this weekend. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do, my laundry closet makeover or my master bedroom closet. It's not going to be a makeover. It's going to be a clean with me because I'm still trying to figure out how to organize it. Man, I'm telling you, my closet is a mess, and I probably should be doing the closet. Yeah, I probably should be doing my closet. I'm not sure, but one of those I will be doing. A clean with me master bedroom closet, or I know I'm doing a makeover on the laundry closet. I wish I had a laundry room. Y'all, let me know down in the comments if you prefer a laundry closet or a laundry room, or if in fact you have a laundry closet or a laundry room, and if you have some ideas for organization and makeover. Hit me at the bottom in the comments, because I'm still undecided as to what I'm going to do with that laundry closet. I know what I really need to do. I really need to do something with this hair. I need some color, honey, because it's looking ratchet. But yeah, so I haven't decided yet. It's noisy out here. Which one I'm going to do. So y'all hit me up and let me know which one you like for me to do. Okay? Hey y'all. Where's the bathroom? So I'm in here getting some fuel, of course. Where's the bathroom? You gotta wait for somebody to set the card off for fuel. So I figured I'll get me something to eat before I go to my stop. I don't know if I want Wendy's or if I want, what's the bathroom around here? I don't know if I want Wendy's or if I want Subway. I think I'm gonna get a Subway sandwich. Oh, here's the bathroom. Oh, yeah, that's what I want to do. I think I'm gonna get Subway. So let me tell y'all a quick story. So I was at my first stop and I couldn't move my tandems. So I was out there for like an hour trying to figure it out. And then it dawned on me like, oh no, I gotta drive the truck a couple of feet and then it'll start working. So, but before I figured that out, I called breakdown because I needed help. So they go through this whole leave a message. Italian, please. 6. So yeah, I called and left a message. Can I have mayo on both sides of the bread, please? And I think I'm gonna do some tuna. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sitting here trying to order my food.
Sorry, that was the boss lady.
So yeah, so I leave a message. Excuse me.
Any cheese on it?
Yeah. American, please. I don't like her. She's not friendly. So she wasn't even making my sandwich. So yeah, I left a message and gave them truck number, trailer number, my name, my phone number. So they never called me back. So now I figured out what I needed to do. So that's what I did. And I just left. He calls me and was like, yeah, I got my driver on the way. I said, oh no, that's okay, because I left, because I figured it out. But next time you need to call me and let me know. Like, how am I supposed to know? Yes, please. No, no lettuce, I'm sorry, just tomato. Why is she talking to me and she's not making a sandwich? Go figure. She need a different job. So yeah, he tells me, oh, next time call me and let me know you left. You never called me to let me know you was coming. So, figure that one out. I don't know. Hey, ladybugs. Made it to my second stop. Waiting to be loaded. The light is red. You can't see it, but the light is red. Just backed in. I'm getting ready to eat me some lunch. And I don't know where my next venture is going to be. But back to that lady at Subway. Like, is it that serious? It can't be that serious. But I guess she was just doing her job. I wish I could be that excited about my job. I really do. I don't know. I guess maybe I am. I don't know. But anyway, thank y'all for coming along with me. I so appreciate your support. Like I always tell y'all, I love y'all. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.